Why are homeowners 55 plus losing thousands every year? Well, this short video will ensure you don't make the same financial mistake. Hi, it's Christopher Brixmar with MMG Real Estate Advisors, your local Orange County realtors, here with another informative video. First, forget Prop 60 and 90. In California, Proposition 19 replaced them when it became effective in April 2021. This changed the rules for property tax transfers benefiting homeowners 55 years plus. Now, if you're 55 years plus and sell your primary residence, you can transfer your property tax base to a new home, which can save you thousands of dollars annually in property taxes. Key benefits and rules for Prop 19. Transfers to any California county. Previously, under Prop 60 and 90, transfers were limited to certain counties. Now, under Prop 19, you can move anywhere in the state of California and utilize this benefit. More transfers allowed. Before Prop 19, you could only transfer your tax base once. Now you can do it up to 3 times in your lifetime, even if you had already transferred your tax base once prior to Prop 19 becoming effective in April of 2021. Primary residences only. You must have lived in your home as your primary residence. Timing requirements. You must buy or build the new home within 2 years of selling your old one. Now, pay close attention to make sure you obtain the maximum benefit, 100% or less, of the full cash value of the original home if a replacement home is purchased or newly constructed before the sale of the original home, or 105% or less of the full cash value of the original home if the replacement home is purchased or newly constructed within the first year after the sale of the original home. Or lastly, 110% or less of the full cash value of the original home if the replacement home is newly purchased or constructed within the second year after the sale of the original home. Now, purchasing a more expensive home. If the replacement home is of equal or lesser value than the original home, then the original home's factored base year value may be transferred to the replacement home without any value adjustment. But if your new home is more expensive, your tax base will be adjusted upward, but still lower than what you'd normally pay. Examples. Scenario 1. Original house sold for $1 million. Replacement house purchased for $1 million. Difference, 0. Base year value of original house, $300,000. New base year value of the replacement house, $300,000. Annual property taxes on $1 million home at 1.25% equals $12,500 without Prop 19. Annual property taxes at $300,000 at 1.25%, $3,750 with Prop 19, a savings of $8,750 per year. Scenario 2. Original house sold for $1 million. Now the replacement house purchased for $1.4 million, a difference of $400,000. Base year value of your original house, $300,000. Now the new base year value of the replacement's house is $300,000 plus the difference, $400,000, equals $700,000. Annual property tax rate on $1.4 million at 1.25%, $17,500 without Prop 19. Annual property taxes on $700,000 at 1.25%, $8,750 with Prop 19, savings of $8,750 per year. $17,000 minus $8,750. Wow, that's a 50% savings. This is a significant benefit as it allows 55 plus homeowners to downsize, relocate, or move closer to family while keeping their property tax burden low. How to apply for the adjusted property taxes on your replacement home? If the replacement property is located in Orange County, you'll apply for a base year value transfer with the Orange County assessor. We have a link to the form in the description below. But if your replacement home is in another county in California, then you'll apply for the base year value transfer with that county assessor's office. We also have a link in the description below to a directory for all assessor offices in the state of California, where you can download the current form. Before you begin, look up the latest tax bill for your original residence. Look for the latest total assessed value. If you know the assessor's parcel number, you can find your property tax bill online. If you found this information helpful, click the like button, as it helps this video to be seen by others. If you know someone who may benefit from this information, give it a share. And if you want to see more informative videos like this, click subscribe. Thanks for your time, and we'll see you in the next video.